Good morning, everyone. This is Daniel, the Sergeant-Chief Stewart Meteorologist for the Severe Weather Center Weather Forecast Office in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And today's weather, it will be mainly cloudy this afternoon. It's going to be exactly high 1 degree Celsius. And then wind chill will be -2 degrees Celsius. And we're going to have light wind this afternoon, and the wind is coming from the southwest at 13 kilometers per hour. Now the wind gust is 24 kilometers per hour wind, and the relative humidity 69%, and pressure falling to 100.2 kilopascals. And tonight, and be cloudy with showers overnight with a low 1 degree Celsius and wind chill will be -3 degrees Celsius. And this is going to warm up. Now let's take a look at the 4-day weather forecast. On Friday, it's going to be a light rain, high 6 degrees Celsius. And the low will be -8 degrees Celsius. And then on the weekend, on Saturday, it's going to be snow, high -8, low -21. And then on Sunday, it's mainly sunny, high -18, low -22. And then on Monday, it's mainly sunny, high -7, low -8 degrees Celsius. And we're going to Remembrance Day, a long weekend. And and then the almanac, yesterday's high was -5.2 degrees Celsius. Yesterday's low -16.3 degrees Celsius. The warmest temperature was at 1949 at 15 degrees Celsius. That was exactly 70 years ago. Coldest temperature was in 1902 at -20.6 degrees Celsius. That was the coldest year in Edmonton. And you can follow me at www.thesergeantweatherman.com. You can follow us on Facebook. And you can download the Accurate Weather app and follow weather on the ground, get your communities, your local 4-day weather forecast. And thank you for watching. And remember get your winter tires on for going into the winter month. And that's I am. Thank you so much. And yeah.